नमस्ते। घर से बाहर जब निकलता हूँ तो बहुत सारे लोगों के चेहरे पे देयर इज़ अ बिग क्वेश्चन मार्क। सम ऑफ देम आर थिंकिंग, एम आई गोइंग टू रिसीव माई सैलरी फॉर दिस मंथ? समवन एल्स वॉज थिंकिंग, अगर मुझे आधे मंथ की सैलरी अगर मिल जाए तो क्या होगा? Somebody else was thinking, how do I pay my EMI for the housing loan in case if I don't get a salary at all? The other day somebody was asking me, with so much of chaos happening around the world, uh, am I going to get the pink slip? अगर मेरी नौकरी नहीं रहेगी तो क्या होगा? डॉक्टर ये सोच रहा है, what if the patients don't come to my clinic? Who is going to pay for my professional fees? The manufacturer is thinking, how do I pay my vendors and the taxes that I am liable to pay? The shop owner is thinking, how do I pay my staff? There are questions galore on everybody's mind. And you know what? They all had the answer, but they never addressed it. I am sure by the end of this particular video, you too will receive an answer and a solutions towards the same. So stay tuned. There is only a small word that we have neglected over the years. And you know what that is? That word stands for contingency. All these years we have only been investing for the future. कल के लिए सोचेंगे, कल के लिए प्लान करेंगे, कल के लिए देखेंगे. But वो कल में, that tomorrow, we never had the present. What if I land into some situations which is like a crisis like situation? Am I prepared for it? I did my life insurance, I did my investments, I did each and everything, but I ignored contingency. Our ancestors always had this particular thing in mind that kuch to try and keep a little bit money for those rainy days. Somewhere down the line, I think we have forgotten that particular virtue. And that is where most of us would have some or the other question on our face. To address this particular question, contingency is what we need to plan for, and that's the starting point of any financial plan. You might ask me, what is contingency? Contingency is nothing but some provisions made if at all we land up into some situations which we did not foresee at all. Maybe like a job loss, maybe some COVID-like situation, and this particular amount would come handy to us and bail us out of this situation. Some of you would have this particular question as to how do I get this money and how do I invest? How fast would I get this particular money? So for that, let me just show you a little bit of magic. Stay tuned.
Wouldn't it be great if you wanted your money urgently and you get it too? And that too at the swipe of your finger. Interesting, isn't it? Let's learn this magic today. For example, I wish to withdraw 200 rupees. I enter the amount and scroll on withdraw. It gives me two options. One is regular withdrawal, another is instant withdrawal. I will click on instant withdrawal. I need to accept the terms and conditions and confirm the transaction. And the magic is here. If you can see, I received a message from my bank stating ₹200 has got credited to my account with respect to my investment.
As you have seen in the video, the money comes into your account within seconds. And that's the power of contingency. Make the money work for you, right? When you put this particular money aside, the money will keep growing at a certain pace. It may not grow as in terms of creating wealth for you, but it will surely help you out in these trying times. The money is received by us within minutes and at the most within a day. Now that you've seen a little bit of magic, let me also share one more tip with you. How do I do that? पहली बात, जब भी आपको सैलरी या बिजनेस से कोई भी इनकम आता है, try and allocate that money try and put that money aside into the contingency fund. It will help you in two ways. One, you would not want that entire amount to be utilized immediately. So why not put it to good use? Secondly, in case if you are able to keep all that money aside, there are chances that you would not overspend into things that you never needed in the very first place. है ना पते की बात? So remember friends, in trying times, normally we do not look at any returns. We do not look at wealth creation. What we look at is preservation of wealth. What we look at is how do I get the money that I have saved over the years, how does that money come to my rescue? And now that you know the importance of contingency planning, I have one special freebie for you. In case if you send us your query and your interest on the mobile number or on the email that is mentioned on the screen as well as in the description box, I will share an ebook of 6 steps on financial freedom. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel, and please press the bell icon for regular notifications on financial planning and other financial stuff.